All right, Nathan. Well, Americans could soon learn more about what led to the FBI to search former President Donald Trump's Florida estate. A federal judge in Florida has signaled that he could unseal portions of the affidavit that could contain details of what prompted the search. Natalie Brand has more details from the White House.
Less than 2 weeks after the FBI searched former President Trump's Florida home, the public could be closer to learning more about the investigation. Federal Magistrate Judge Bruce Reinhart has asked the Justice Department to propose redactions, signaling he could unseal parts of the document.
I think we can look forward to discovering a few more tantalizing details and context. For the most part, we're not going to see the core of what we're all very interested in.
Scott Frederickson, a former federal prosecutor, says it's rare for an affidavit to be unsealed, especially since the DOJ has said the investigation is in its early stages.
DOJ is saying there's a lot more to come. It's a strong message from the Department of Justice that they are going forward full speed, and they expect to gather a lot more evidence.
But attorneys representing more than a dozen of the country's largest media organizations, including CBS News, petitioned the court to unseal the document in the public interest. The DOJ argued its affidavit details its probe of the former president's handling of highly classified material and would serve as a roadmap of the government's ongoing investigation.
It explains the scope and breadth of that application, or that investigation, excuse me, and it has a number of confidential informants and witnesses whose ongoing participation may be jeopardized by the disclosure.
Other procedural records that have been released offered new clues into possible crimes under investigation. They include willful retention of national defense information, concealment or removal of government records, and obstruction of federal investigation. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.